Ever wondered how a modern smartwatch is built? Step inside a Smartwatch Factory and discover the complete manufacturing process. Every premium smartwatch begins with carefully selected precision components. AI inspection guarantees only flawless materials enter production. Precision circuit boards create the electronic foundation of every smartwatch. High-speed robotic assembly places microscopic components with incredible accuracy. Advanced soldering permanently connects every component into a reliable smart device. Brilliant OLED displays deliver vibrant colors and exceptional clarity. Precision lamination creates a flawless touchscreen experience. Compact lithium batteries provide reliable power throughout the day. CNC machining shapes every smartwatch case with microscopic precision. Robotic polishing creates the premium finish users expect. Precision robotics install every display with perfect alignment. Compact batteries are securely integrated for dependable performance. Advanced sensors give every smartwatch its intelligent capabilities. Every internal component works together as one powerful system. Precision sealing protects each smartwatch from water and dust. Intelligent software brings every smartwatch to life. Automated diagnostics verify every essential function. AI inspection guarantees exceptional quality inside and out. Every smartwatch is tested to withstand everyday conditions. Only devices that pass every performance test move to final production. Every finished smartwatch reflects precision, innovation, and premium craftsmanship. Careful packaging protects every device before it reaches customers. Robotic palletizing prepares thousands of smartwatches for shipment. Intelligent warehouse automation keeps global inventory moving efficiently. From the factory floor, every smartwatch begins its journey around the world. Innovation begins long before the next smartwatch reaches production. Robotic endurance testing prepares every device for years of daily use. Premium engineering meets elegant design in every finished smartwatch. Every department works together as one intelligent manufacturing system. As one production cycle ends, the next begins without interruption. Every finished smartwatch begins its journey to customers around the world. Intelligent logistics keep global deliveries moving with remarkable precision. Every device is displayed and prepared for its next owner. Advanced technology becomes part of everyday life with every smartwatch. Innovation, automation, and craftsmanship power every stage of production. Every detail reflects precision engineering and premium craftsmanship. Thousands of smartwatches leave this factory every single day. Intelligent automation connects every stage of modern manufacturing. Behind every smartwatch is an extraordinary journey of innovation. Thanks for exploring the complete manufacturing process inside a modern smartwatch factory.